Hello everyone! In this video, we are making the rainbow sprinkle cake. The first step is to prepare the rainbow speckled icing. Start by adding about 4 tablespoons of rainbow glitter flake to about 4 pounds of vanilla buttercream. Using a spatula, mix the two together well. Once done, add it to a pastry bag with the end snipped off. Now we can fill and base ice our cake using the speckled icing. Next, combine a mixture of pastel quins and the rainbow flake glitter. Once mixed, add this mixture around the base of the cake. Now, carefully sprinkle a ring of confetti on the top. And now our rainbow sprinkle cake is complete.